none other than Dr. Jatinder Bhai from Lucknow. He'll be talking about the achieving spectacles independence with trifocal bliss technology. My experience with Optiflex Tray. Over to you, Jatinder.
Thank you, Dr. Kudlu, and respected seniors on the dais as well as the respected delegates. A very warm welcome. See, this word achieving spectacle independence is just like when you are talking about your young teens when you are 22, 21 years and you really don't need anything. You really don't bother for distance, intermediate or near. It is just without glasses. Except you have got a cylindrical problem, then you need glasses. But otherwise you jump off and on. But as you grow old, when the matter is when you come to 70s, 60s, now ye dil mange more, you need something more. We have been correcting your distance vision, you were so happy with that, but now it was कि हमको तो पास का नज़र नहीं आ रहा है, this is a big problem. So then you jumped for the bifocals, and then as Dr. Toshiwal said, it was EDOF, and then came the trifocals, although they were there. So I'm going to take just 5 minutes. I'll be not talking much of the science, but I will be talking about what exactly this technology is and how you can harbor in your practice. Having said so, the landscape of trifocals, or as say EDOF in India as such, is that many national as well as international companies are into this business, and they are making really good lenses. And when you speak of trifocal, they want to tell you that you can see good at distance, you can see really good at intermediate zone, as well as you can see well for the near. But then the point of education to the patient is that we are talking this when you are talking for operating both the eyes. जब दोनों आँखें operate हो जाएंगी, then we can talk about these good distance, good near and good intermediate. It's not only one. And the second education point is, ask your patient not to do this. अभी इससे check किया, इससे अच्छा दिख रहा है, इससे अच्छा दिख रहा है. No, this comparison should be abolished, because that neural adaptation point and this, the education of getting both eyes operated in a shorter period of time is must. So having said so, see, when we talk about trifocals, the majority of the national and international companies are, as I have said here, they are going for refractive diffractive technology. So there is no need to shout for this problem also कि अगर आप trifocal कराएंगे तो you will be having glares, halos. This is bound to occur. This is, you cannot defy the science. The moment you give a diffractive scratch on a lens, the moment you scratch a lens, the diffraction will occur. As you can see, it is, what is this? This is a pure, it's a pure bispherical lens. उसके anterior surface पे आपने rings खींच दिए हैं. So you have made those rings. The moment light goes through these rings, the diffraction is bound to occur. The moment diffraction is bound to occur, halos, noise, glare होना ही होना. You cannot avoid it. It is a science. But the question is, कितना कम कर सकते हैं? How minimum we can achieve this glare and halos? This is the science, and that is why we are stepping forward, and we are also aiming at कि हम rings ना बनाएं. हम, as Dr. Toshiwal said, हम EDOF lenses use करें, so that we really don't need. लेकिन तब भी you cannot defy science. The diffractive technology counter over a refractive technology. These lenses are diffractive, refractive lenses. Glare, halos, noise होगा ही होगा. Even if it doesn't happen, the total internal reflection will happen, and the peripheral edge can also cause the problem. So just forget about it. Don't overemphasize. The majority of the surgeons who are operating, do not have themselves a trifocal inside their eye. They do not have EDOF inside their eye, so they cannot talk with that confidence. हम तो वही बोलते हैं ना जो हमें कंपनियां बता रही हैं, जो हमें कंपनियां सिखा रही हैं. But the matter is different. जब अपने पे बीतती है तब पता चलता है कि exactly science क्या है. Having said so, the basic thing is, you have to understand कि you have made rings. See, you have made rings on the lens. ये आपने rings बना दी हैं. The nearer the rings are to each other, more is the add power. The far off the rings are away from these are, less is the add power. This is one point. The second point is how deep these rings are. What is the height of these rings? If the rings are really high, the scratch is really deep, the height of the ring is more, the energy of light will be distributed to those focal points in that quantum only. पर एक बात याद रखिए, अगर total light is 10 candles, for example, तो ये 10 candle ही बटेंगी. Either you distribute it for distance, you bring it to near, you bring it to intermediate. ये 10 का ही खेल है. You cannot make it 12, you cannot make it 9. Now, if there are 10 candles, you can send 6 candles to distance. You have got 4 candles now, you distribute 2 to the intermediate and 2 to the near. तो ये भी चिल्लाना, ये भी नॉइज़ मचाना, हल्ला करना कि you don't have this, what do you say, quality of vision अच्छी नहीं आ रही है. Quality of vision will only depend what is the distribution of these candle of lights to all these points. So everything is compromised. Everything is compromised. But the question is how well you go ahead with this. Having said so, the optical principle of bifocals and trifocal, as I have told, the spacing will control the power. अगर आपकी ये रिंग्स बहुत पास हैं तो द एड बिकम्स 3.5 4 जैसे पहले रिस्टोर में आता था एल्कॉन का. यू स्पेस देम मोर, द थिंग्स विल बिकम, लाइट विल बी शिफ्टिंग टू द इंटरमीडिएट जोन. अगर आप इस रिंग्स की स्पेस को बढ़ा दीजिए, द थिंग्स विल बिकम इंटरमीडिएट. एंड सिमिलरली व्हेन यू सी द हाइट, अगर रिंग्स की हाइट ज़्यादा है, दे विल डाइवर्ज द लाइट टू द पॉइंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आपने पुराने ज़माने के कूलर देखे होंगे, कूलर के आगे एक ग्रिल लगी रहती है. नाउ इफ द फिन्स ऑफ दिस ग्रिल्स आर टू बिग and you turn the grill, the air will come to one point. If you make those grills very short, अगर आप height कम कर दें तो आप जितना मर्जी ऊपर नीचे करते रहे, the air will flow anywhere. It won't be precisely going to at one point. So heights have got a very important. इसी से apodized and non-apodized का concept आता है. So when the height is absolutely same, okay, no problem, no matter the pupil becomes smaller or larger, the light will pass off. चलो, having said this thing, I will not take much on this thing. The question is how to switch from a bifocal to trifocal. तो trifocal में हम कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं करते हैं. हमने जो bifocal टेक्नोलॉजी है, एक डिस्टेंस के लिए एक हमने क्वांटम बनाया, एक नियर के लिए बनाया, फिर हमने एक सेकंड सेट ऑफ रिंग्स क्रिएट की, दैट इज़ फॉर डिस्टेंस एंड इंटरमीडिएट, और हम दोनों को सुपर इम्पोज कर देते हैं. एंड दैट लीड्स इनटू दिस क्युमुलेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी विच इज़ नोन एज trifocal technology. So we have got two rings superimposed over this, and we get a trifocal diffractive non-apodized because the height of the rings we have kept same. Having said so, we distribute these 10 candles for distance, intermediate and near, and it is our selfish purpose how we achieve it. After talking about this thing, it totally depends that how you start your journey for trifocals. See, the operation is very simple. वही cataract surgery है, वही equipment है, सब कुछ है, but the basic thing is कि you are charging a premium amount for a premium patient who has got a preset of mind कि मैं कोई बहुत बड़ी सर्जरी कराने जा रहा हूँ. I am going for the premium most surgery. उसके expectation levels are very high. Having said so, your error का margin बहुत कम है. You don't have much margin for error. So be very particular, right starting from slit lamp, right starting from optical biometry. Please do scan the retina, or either physically see it or do an OCT, and if possible please do the topography so that the margin of error should be less from your side. बाद में कुछ होता है तो देखा जाएगा, but इन चार चीज़ों में बेसिक गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए, as well as evaluation of dry film. दूसरी बात, एक बात और is very very important. Those people in India who are having a florid state of diabetes, please be careful because with age आप सर्जरी करके हट जाओगे, but his diabetes will go on progressing from 1 to 2 to 3 stage. He is not going to care for it, but as the retina gets bad, he will always put the allegation on the lens you have implanted. So please choose the patient also very rightly कि आप किसके अंदर क्या lens लगाने चाह रहे हो. Therefore, choosing the right person, that whom you are really going to give a technology, because if you are wrong at this stage, it is the technology which will come at blame. So be very seriously see that patient is really interested in spectacle independence. He is an easygoing personality. Type A ना हो. He is willing to understand the limitations. जब आप उसको कुछ बातें कर रहे हैं, how much time he is interrupting you, and with how many people he have come to your chamber, as well as he is an indoor worker or a retired worker. Keeping this in mind, be very careful while choosing a right person for this technology. And the IOL formula which you should use is, what I recommend is Barrett Universal 2, and I think most of the people here, they just follow this, that Barrett Universal 2 formula is a right formula to be, because it takes care of all the validations. Now, this is all available, and now majority of the people are having this in their equipments. As I was listening to one of the talks of Dr. Kuddu, he has given just an exclusive talk on angle alpha and angle kappa when he came to Lucknow. This is a big पॉइंट इन द माइंड ऑफ सर्जन कि अगर एंगल कप्पा बड़ा होगा या एंगल अल्फा बड़ा होगा तो हमारे पेशेंट्स का क्या होगा. दिस इज अनदर वेरी सीरियस टॉक. नाउ हैविंग सेड सो, दिस हैज़ टू बी मेजर्ड एंड इट इज़ अवेलेबल इन मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द गुड इक्विपमेंट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल IOL मास्टर और पेंटाकैम or eye tracy, you have this figure. So the problem is, it is not this, but when you are going for a surgery, how do you effectively place your lens? That effective lens placement is very important. I am going to talk about Optiflex Trio. Then what we keep in mind is, if the central zone is really big, then it defies, because it gives you a much comfortable zone to avoid angle alpha or kappa. But if you get an angle alpha or kappa which is more than 0.5, then you must realize that majority of the light in the normal stage of life is going to pass through diffractive rings, and then it is going to cause a problem. इसलिए ये point भी जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है, and it has to be kept in mind. So for all practical purposes, if angle kappa is alpha is more than 0.5, try to restrain from going for these surgeries. And then before I talk about Optiflex Trio, counseling, please yourself get involved in counseling. The words said by your counselor, the words said by you are two different things. Ultimately पैसे आपने लेने हैं, नाम आपका इन्वॉल्व होना है, सर्जरी आपने करनी है, तो जवाब भी आपको देना पड़ेगा. उस समय वहाँ क्या बातें हुई थी, वो बातें नोट करते रहते हैं, and they have got so many expectations which you are going to counter protect, then it becomes very difficult. So please give another 5 minutes. आप नॉर्मल सर्जरी से ज़्यादा पैसे लेने जा रहे हो, so please give some extra time to counsel. Make them reassure, make them give a realistic expectations, because you are becoming spectacle independent, but you are not getting free from spectacles at all. वो जादू नहीं होने वाला है, and it will never happen. And moreover, there are tips and tops in the journey. A very well done surgery also can have a little tilt in the IOL, and that can give to comas, flashes of light, tailing of light, and you are into a bad situation. So just counsel properly and with reasonable expectations. Normal trifocals के साथ advantage ये है that you have got a very good vision for distance. You can see your car dashboard very well. You can shave well before the mirror. Even you can see the watch before you nicely, as well as sign your checks nicely. So advantage तो है. Those people who are not very mobile, they want to read their books, advantage तो है. But there is a pinch of salt with this technology also. So counseling is very important, and do yourself get involved in counseling. जितने भी ये hypercritical patients हैं, perfectionist हैं, night drivers हैं, night drivers में भी वो जो high-heighted vehicles चला रहे हैं, for example containers, those who are driving the containers, उनके और पोल लाइट्स के बीच में डिस्टेंस बहुत कम रह जाता है, देन इट्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लम दैट यू हैव अ एब्सोल्यूट ग्लेयर, एब्सोल्यूट दिस थिंग. मोर ओवर, जब हाईवेज पे अब आप जा रहे हैं, तो नाउ वी ऑल द हाईवेज इन इंडिया आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग अ बिग डिवाइडर्स नाउ, एंड दे हैव गॉट अ प्लांटेशंस, एंड सो थिंग्स आर गेटिंग बेटर. टेक्नोलॉजी इज इंप्रूविंग, लेंसेज आर इंप्रूविंग, थिंग्स आर गेटिंग बेटर. बट हाइटेड व्हीकल्स जो ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, प्लीज डू नॉट गिव देम दीज लेंसेज. सो आई विल जस्ट टेक 2 minutes more. Now I am going to talk about Optiflex Trio. The lens which I am going to talk is, now this lens has got a beautiful distribution of light for, as I told you, for distance, a reasonable light for intermediate, and a very good light for near vision. So you don't have any glare or minimal glare, but with this beautiful distribution of light, you have got a perfect vision. This lens is exactly giving a 3.5 diopter of near addition and 1.85 intermediate. तो एक reasonable length, arm length आपको मिलती है, जो आपको Panoptix में भी मिलती है. So you can see a good intermediate as well as a reasonable near. But when you operate both eyes, the things become magical. You really start enjoying. And more, just 1 minute. And moreover, this lens is a lens which is a hydrophobic lens. It is with a diffractive refractive technology, and this lens has got a BLISS technology. I just wanted to talk about this technology. This lens has distributed the rings in form of central refractive core, 4 mm diffractive core, and rest for the again refractive core. Rings के बीच का distance जो है, वो भी light को distance में भेजता है. So virtually you do not waste light here. आप 88% लाइट यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं, और जो लाइट भी इन रिंग्स के बीच से निकलती है, इट इज गेटिंग बैक टू द बीइंग यूज्ड फॉर द डिस्टेंस विजन. सो फॉर ऑल लाइट कंडीशंस you have got excellent distance, good intermediate, and reasonably good near when both eyes are operated. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Bhai, for a very nice coverage of the whole topic. Actually, what you told in the end, that it depends on the I mean, you have to select the patient. Patient selection is very important. Maybe you can come here.
Huh.
Patient selection is very important because there will be some patients who may not be fit for trifocal. Then in those patients, advanced monofocal lenses are the ones which can be used. And life is all about compromise. You have to do some degree of compromise about it. Like if you are using advanced monofocal, for extreme near work you have to use glasses. If you are using a trifocal lens, there may be a little bit of photic phenomenon, but if you are adjusted to that, then it's okay. Like the progressive glasses, many people they are not
they are
comfortable with progressive glasses and they cannot adjust to it. But there are people who can do it. Like I am myself using progressive glasses, and the day I started wearing it that day only I went and did a transplant procedure. So it's just a question of how well you tune your mind, and it all.
And I would also like to say to all young and old people, learn to say no also. अब मेजोरिटी ऑफ टाइम आपके पास इंश्योरेंस वाले आते हैं, करा लीजिए उसे नहीं अच्छा देखेंगे करेंगे, आफ्टर 4-5 टाइम्स सोचते हैं अच्छा बहुत बार आ गया चलो अब करा लेते हैं. Try to say no. It is really not required to say yes to everybody. Those patients who don't fit into this category must be said no कि तुम्हें trifocal नहीं लग सकता. He can go for EDOF lens. So counseling and choosing a patient is a big boon because that is going to stay for a long practice.